welcome back. First of all, let's quickly look at the date. What is the date today? My favorite number today is the 9th of September 2020. Today's day, remember the date is the number, the day is the name of the day. And what day is today? Wednesday. But remember, we write it Wednesday, but we pronounce it Wednesday. Tricky. And we are in the season of spring. Everything is going to start growing. We will also be growing things soon. Flowers. And yeah, so if today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Very good. Now you guys know my little board over here. First of all, I'm not going to count with you guys from 1 to 50 because that's easy peasy. Hey, you guys know that by now. So I want you guys to quickly pause the video, stand behind your chair, and you guys are going to look at this and count from 1 to 50. Go. Okay, thank you, boys and girls. Now we are going to count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Exactly the same, but now in the 10 rows. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Group of 20s. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Group of 30s. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now let's quickly count in fives, but we are going to clap. Okay, so we have 5, 10. So let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now a little bit of a tricky situation. I want you guys to carry on counting in fives up to 100. I want to see if you guys can do that. If you manage, let me know. Otherwise, we need to do that tomorrow together. But I know you guys can because in class time we did it together. Hey? Let's see. Let's count in tens. This is this row going down all the way to 100. Let's snap them. Okay, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Now, yesterday we had a few exercises counting in threes, fours, and sixes. I want you guys to count in threes. 3, 6, remember we always jump 3. 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Let's carry on. 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. Let's quickly count in fours. 4, we jump 4 times. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. I want you guys to try and count in 6. Quickly pause and then you count in 6. Remember you need to jump 6 times. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you guys counted nicely and that you're ready for the day. Okay, now we are going to go. I'm quickly going to explain to you guys what you guys need to do in your yellow booklet. So, number sense, page number. Who can tell me what page are we on now? Page 8, you are right. So, page 8, over here, we have the hands again. How many hands are there? Count all the hands, write the answers. How many fingers are there? Remember I told you guys, if I show the number like this, it's 3. But as soon as you see all the fingers, we still count it as 5. This is what they mean over here. Okay, so we are going to count in 5 because each hand has 5 fingers. 5, 10, 15, and all of the fingers together, you write the answers. Number 2, you need to count all the balloons and the cents. First off, how many balloons are there? Write it. Now, we need to count how many cents are there. Easy peasy. We count in
5s. Write the answer over there. Number 3, you need to complete. We start at the start. 13 plus 2 is, write the answer. Plus 2 is, write the answer. Plus 3 is, haha, minus. Boys and girls, make sure when it's a plus and when it's a minus. Okay. All the way, follow the arrows until there. Number 4, let's do this one together. There are 9 bones and 3 dogs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bones. How many bones are there for each dog? How are we going to share these bones? I want you guys to do that. Send your teacher a photo of how did you share the bones amongst the dogs. You got it.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I quickly want to introduce you to a new house number. I didn't even clean my board. House number. Let's see. Who knows what house are we busy with now? We had the last one was house of 8. So today we're going to do house of 9. My favorite. So there is my little house. Okay. Remember all the rooms that we have in this beautiful, tall, big house. Okay, and we have the number 9. I want you guys to take a paper and also write this, all of the numbers. So let's see. If I have the number 9, how many circles will I have? 9, right? So let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. If I have one person in this room, how many more people must be in this room so that we have 9 in one level? I have 1, so I can close it. How many more do I need? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now let's see, I have 5 people over here. Well, that's a little bit of a long hat. How many more people do I need here to have 9? Remember, it's the same as 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus what equals 9? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more do we need? 4. Very good. And if we write it, we have 5 plus 4 equals 9. Haha. If I have, whoops, a daisy. If I have the number 7, tricky on that side. I have 7 people. What plus 7 equals 9? So it's basically like this. Plus 7 equals 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more? Turn. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Now I want you guys to copy this on your paper, and then I want you guys to continue with these numbers. Let's put that one. We have a 8. We have a 9 over there. And we have a 6. Okay, I want you guys to fill in these and see if you guys can do them, as well as write the equations next to each of them. Use the little circles. Okay, so boys and girls, please write that down. Then, I'm going to show you another trick with something that we did yesterday, or the day before. Okay, so you guys remember the little spider that looked like this? Minus 1 equals 7. So then they ask us, what minus 1 equals 7? Or what minus 1 equals 5? Or what minus 1 equals 8? Okay, nice and big ones. So we have to teach you guys like this. If you have nothing in the front and only the number at the back, you guys need to change the sign. Remember I told you guys it's a naughty trick. I'm going to take the 1 and just add it to the 7, and then I've got the answer. Guys, remember that? I hope so. So if we have a minus, remember we always have a big number in the front. It always needs to be bigger than that number, okay? So if we take this little minus and we change it into a plus, but then we can't leave it there. We must take it all the way to the 7 because the 7 is lonely. He needs his mommy, okay? So then we say plus 1, and we just make a little plus 1 over there. Not too big, okay? Because you can't see that we're going to mommy at the moment. 7 plus 1 equals what? 8. Okay, so you know the answer is 8. Then you take your number 8 over here because now daddy's over there. Okay, so we found daddy. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Now let's see if we have nothing in the front. Minus 1 equals 5. How are we going to do this? Remember, sneaky, we're going to make it a plus. We take the plus 1 and we give it to mommy to find daddy. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Let's see, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Very well done. I want you guys to figure out the last one, 8. Remember what? Minus 1 is 8. Take the plus 1, add it to the 8, and then you've got your answer. I want you guys to ask mommy and them to help you. Maybe this evening when you guys are just sitting in front of the TV, let mommy write you a few of these equations, and then you just practice. Okay? It's very important to practice because practice makes perfect. And then, ladies and gentlemen, today is a long lesson. We've got a lot of information that needs to go, that we need to handle and do today. Okay? Now, one more thingy. Okay, and I'm going to challenge you guys to do a few of these at home and send me a picture. We're going to break up the numbers, okay? So if I've got a big number like the number, let's say 23, okay? So I have the number 23, but I know you guys know this already because we already did this in a way. I have the number 23. What are the two numbers that you hear? 23. I hear 20 and I hear 3. So we need to find out how do we put 23 together. First off, we have 20. It's a 2 and a 0. And then we have a 3. Okay. So basically what happened over here, the 3 replaced the number 0, leading it to be a number, forming it to be a 23. So we get rid of the 0, but we don't throw it away, we just replace it with the number 3. Let's see if I have the number 14. Haha, this is a tricky one, hey? 14. Which two numbers do you hear? 14. Okay, I hear 14. Now remember, teen is the teenager. And if we look at our little block, 14 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even do it like this. So I hear the number 4 and 10, or you can even say you have the number 10 and the number 4. So it equals out to be, let's see, 10 plus 4 equals 14. Does this make sense, boys and girls? I'm going to do one more with you. Let's take the number, Teacher Serena, please give me a number.
17.
17. Okay, we have the number 17. Okay, first off, we can say how does it look in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10 frame is full. The next one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 together. So the first one is 10 and a 7. So we are going to say it is 10 plus 7 equals 17. So we always want the first number and the body 0, and then we have the last number. I hope you guys understand it. I want you guys to write this on a piece of paper with the numbers. Look over here. Look at my hands on this board. With the number 22, 25, 13, 29, and the number 18. Okay, so I want you guys to do this. Draw your little 10 frames if you don't understand it, and then you just write the answers at the back. How do you get to this answer? Okay, that's it for today, boys and girls. I know it's a lot of work today, but I know you can go back to the video, have a look again, and then, yes, you got it. Thanks, boys and girls. Have a super day. Bye.